Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller from M&M 2025 in Salt Lake City, and I'm here with Kammrath from Kammrath and Weiss, which is a German company. And please tell us about what kind of things that you guys do at Kammrath and Weiss.
Yes, at Kammrath and Weiss we are building systems which can be built into the scanning electron microscopes. Everything what has to do with manipulation of samples we can do. So it's in terms of stressing the samples, in terms of heating the samples, cooling the samples, driving it around, positioning the samples, doing indentation, whatever the customer wants to do, we can build.
So sub-stages for SEMs to do in-situ testing.
Exactly.
Okay. So what do you have that's new and exciting for this year?
What we have is nothing new in this case. It is something, we have our tensile module, which is built more than 30 years now, but we have add-ons to the tensile module. And what I want to tell the world is that these add-ons can fit even a tensile module which was bought 30 years ago. That means normally when we have mechanical tensile, you can do low cycle fatigue, but with the new attachment, we have a fatigue attachment which can go to high cycle fatigue, which is a maximum of 100 Hertz. And even if you have a system which was bought 20 years ago, you can just contact us and we can upgrade it so that you can do high cycle fatigue with a very old system.
Well, it sounds great. Yes. So if people are interested in seeing, that specific tester or any of your other instruments, where would they find you online?
Kammrath-weiss.com.
Okay.
Sorry.
Kammrath-weiss.com.
Yeah. Yes, and you can look it online and you can find all our products there. And the most important part is you find our contact address, because whatever you see on the website, it can be modified to fit your needs. So when you have customers, some of them have casting samples which are quite big, and we have to put it into our tensile module, but some other customers have very small samples. So in this one tensile module, for example, it can fit for very strong samples which go up to 10 kilonewton, but we also have very small samples like nanofibers which we can test, and very low force.
Wow. Well, that sounds fascinating. Well, thanks a lot, Kammrath. Okay, we got more coming from M&M 2025. Coming up next, stick around.